Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As I begin to progress in my lessons through the ABRSM Grade 3 Discovering Music Theory workbook, I now move on to Chapter 2, which continues to look at the topic of rhythm. In Chapter 2, I look at simple time signatures and compound time signatures, and we'll look at new time signatures in compound time, counting in duple, triple and quadruple time, looking at the new time signatures of 6/8, 9/8 and 12/8. The full lesson can be found on my Patreon channel. If you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you'll find everything you need right there. And after this short little video, you can see sample examples of this lesson to show you how I help you through every single step, just as if I was sitting right next to you. You can find the links to this lesson in the cards and in the description box below. Once you feel that you are ready to take your ABRSM Grade 3 Music Theory exam, I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and techniques on how to be best prepared for your exam and also how to make the very best use of your time on exam day. This book is available from Amazon as either an ebook or a paperback, and you can find the links to this in the cards and in the description box below. And also, all of the information that you would require can be found on my website. If you visit www.sharonbill.com, you'll find everything you need right there. Enjoy your studies. Bye. And this is where we do have to take our thinking a little stage further, because although we start off counting 6 quaver beats per bar, in effect this is duple time because there are 2 groups of 3. So ultimately you count each group. So you've got group 1, 2, 1, 2. So in 9/8 you've got 3 groups of 3, and so we call this triple time, and we count group 1, 2, 3. And so 12/8, because it's got 4 groups of 3, we would say this is quadruple time. So which of these is a compound time signature? So we know that that is 2 crotchet beats per bar. That is 3 crotchet beats per bar. Here that's 6 quaver beats, and that's 3 minim beats. And this is the one that's the compound time signature, because 1 crotchet divides into 2 quavers, that's simple. 3 crotchets, a crotchet divides into 2 quavers, that's simple. And then we can see that our minim divides into 2 crotchets, that is also simple time. 6/8 is grouped in 3s. So what have we got here? 1, 2, 3, and then here is a crotchet divides into 2 quavers. The dot gives us another quaver, so there's another group. 1, 2, 3, and then here we have a crotchet which divides into 2 quavers, and there's our missing quaver beat. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 quaver beats. And then we show each group, and the beaming kind of helps us to see that very easily. Beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, beat 4, remembering that 12/8 is quadruple time, 4 dotted crotchet beats per bar. So we've got a quaver beat here, 2 semiquavers give us a quaver, 2 semis gives us a quaver, 1, 2, 3, there's our first group of 3. A crotchet gives us 2 quaver beats, so we want another quaver beat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to complete that.